Zeiierman's Volume Orderbook is designed to make historical volume distribution easier to read by displaying traded volume at different price levels in a format that resembles an order book. It is important to understand the distinction from the start. This is not a live bid and ask order book. It does not show current resting orders. Instead, it builds a historical volume map showing where trading activity has taken place across the available chart data. The value of this approach is that it gives volume a price-based structure. A normal volume histogram shows how much volume traded during each candle. This indicator reorganises that information by price level, so the focus shifts from when volume occurred to where volume occurred. That can make it easier to identify areas where the market has previously shown stronger interest. The indicator works by dividing price into zones, then adding volume to the zone where the selected source value falls. By default, that source is close, but it can be changed depending on how you want the order book to be built. The row setting controls how many levels are displayed around the current area, while the width setting controls the size of each zone. In practical terms, these settings change how detailed or compact the volume display becomes. The horizontal bars are the main part of the read. Longer bars show price areas where more volume has accumulated. Shorter bars show areas where less volume has traded. High volume areas can act as important reference zones because they show where buyers and sellers have previously done more business. These levels may act as support, resistance, or decision points, but they should not be treated as guaranteed reversal areas. Low volume areas can also be useful. If price moves into a region where little volume has traded before, it may move more quickly because there has been less historical activity at those levels. That can help explain why price sometimes travels cleanly through certain areas and then reacts more sharply when it reaches a heavier volume zone. The indicator also includes optional tools such as a point of control, table border, and grid. The point of control highlights the area with the highest volume in the displayed structure, which can be useful as a central reference level. The table and grid options are mainly there to make the display easier to read and position around the current price action. This indicator can also become more useful when it is combined with tools that help confirm structure, momentum, or trend direction. For example, high volume zones may carry more weight when they align with support and resistance, a fair value gap, or a structure level from a smart money structure tool. They can also be read alongside EMA, RSI, or DMI to judge whether price is approaching a volume area with momentum behind it or losing strength into that level. In short, Zeiierman's Volume Orderbook works as a historical volume context tool. It helps show where activity has been concentrated, where participation has been lighter, and which price areas may deserve more attention as price returns to them.